Hello everyone, in this video I'll give you an overview of the Smart Alert Manager. This is a tool I highly recommend for every trader. It allows you to create both custom and advanced alerts based on price and indicator data, build dynamic alert messages, and send alerts to Telegram, Discord, webhooks, your mobile device, and many other platforms. It goes far beyond the basic alert system built into MetaTrader, giving you much more flexibility and automation. So, let's get started and see how it works. The Smart Alert Manager is designed as an expert advisor. I've already downloaded it here, so I'll simply double-click to install it. You can attach it to any chart. It doesn't matter which symbol or time frame you use. As you can see, there's no complicated setup required. Just click OK to install it. And here is the tool. This is the main dashboard, where all of your alerts are displayed. At the top, you'll find several filters to help you quickly find specific alerts. To create a new alert, simply click the Add Alert button. This is the Conditions tab, where you define the alert rules. First, select the symbol you want to monitor. Next, choose the condition. Right now, you'll only see the price condition because there are no indicators attached to the chart yet. Later in this video, I'll show you how additional conditions become available when indicators are added. Now, choose the comparison type. As you can see, there are many comparison options available, not just the basic ones provided by MetaTrader's default alert feature. Next, enter the value for the selected condition. Keep in mind that these input fields will change depending on the condition and comparison type you select. You can also set an expiration time for the alert. Please note that the tool uses the trade server time, not your local computer time. Finally, you can customize the alert message here. Simply enter the message you want to send. This is especially useful if you're sending alerts to a webhook that expects a specific message format, such as a trade copier. The Smart Alert Manager also supports placeholders, allowing you to dynamically insert information such as the symbol, price, and other alert details into your message. Simply hover over this text to see the complete list of supported placeholders. Let's take a look at the Notify tab. Here you'll find all the notification channels that this tool supports. By default, alerts are only displayed in the MetaTrader terminal. However, you can enable notifications for as many additional channels as you like. Simply click the toggle to turn each channel on or off. Please note that most of these channels require some additional configuration before they can receive notifications. For now, I'll leave everything with the default settings and click Confirm. The alert is triggered immediately because the condition has already been met. The current price is higher than the trigger price. You can see the alert status here. If you want to modify an alert, simply click the Edit button. You can update any part of the alert, just like when you first created it. You can also pause or resume an alert by clicking this button. For example, I'll resume this alert. As you can see, it is triggered again because the condition is still true. Finally, you can delete an alert by clicking the Delete button. So that's how to create a basic price alert. Now let's create a more advanced alert using indicator data. At the moment, the only available condition is price because there are no indicators on the chart. Let me add a MACD indicator. Done. The MACD has been added. Now I'll add another indicator, envelopes. Great, that's added as well. Now, when I create a new alert, you'll notice that new conditions are available. These are the indicators currently attached to the chart. Simply select the indicator you want to use. Once you do, additional condition options become available. These represent the data provided by the selected indicator. Each indicator exposes different values, so the available conditions will vary depending on which indicator you choose. You can compare an indicator value against a fixed number, or you can compare one indicator value with another indicator value. You can even compare the current price with an indicator value. This gives you a great deal of flexibility and provides capabilities that aren't available in MetaTrader's built-in alert feature. Now, let's create a couple of example alerts. For this one, I'll set the MACD signal line to trigger when it is greater than 0. Let's try another example. I'll create an alert that triggers when the envelope's upper band is greater than this value. Again, the alert is triggered immediately because the condition is already satisfied. And that's how you can use indicator data to create advanced alerts. The Smart Alert Manager works with all standard indicators supported by MQL5, allowing you to build powerful alert conditions with ease. Now let's move on to some more advanced features. I'll create a new alert and show you how to use placeholders to create a dynamic alert message. I'll keep the same alert condition. In the message field, I'll enter a custom message using a few placeholders, like this. Now let's wait for the condition to be met. There it is, the alert has been triggered, and here's the alert message. As you can see, all of the placeholders have been replaced with the actual alert data. This feature is especially useful when you're sending alerts to a webhook that expects a specific message format. Next, let's see how the other notification channels work. If you want to receive notifications in the MetaTrader mobile app, make sure you've entered the correct MetaQuotes ID in your MetaTrader settings. If you'd like to receive notifications by email, you'll also need to configure your SMTP settings. Both of these are built-in MetaTrader features. If you're not familiar with setting them up, please refer to this tool's documentation. We've included step-by-step guides to walk you through the entire process. Now, let me show you where to configure webhook, Telegram, and Discord notifications. Click the Settings button. Here you'll find the notification settings. This is where you enter the webhook URL. Simply paste the URL that should receive your alert messages. Here are the Telegram settings. You'll need to create a Telegram bot before you can send notifications. I'll explain this process in more detail later in the video. And here are the Discord settings. I'll also show you how to configure Discord notifications later. Before that, let's take a look at the behavior settings. Here you can choose the default notification channels that will be enabled whenever you create a new alert. You can also choose to automatically remove alerts after they have been triggered or after they expire. Now click Confirm to save the settings. As you can see, all of the existing alerts have been removed because they had already been triggered. Let's create another alert. Notice that the notification channels we selected are now enabled by default. I'll create the alert. It triggers immediately, and because we enabled automatic removal, it's deleted right away. Now it's time to set up Telegram and Discord notifications. To receive notifications through Telegram, you'll first need to create a Telegram bot. Enter the bot token here, and then enter the chat ID, where you want to receive alert messages. Let me show you how to create a Telegram bot. First, search for BotFather in Telegram. Open the chat and click Start. Next, select /newbot. Enter a name for your bot. You can choose any name you like. Now enter a username for the bot. It can be anything, but it must end with bot. I'll try another username. Perfect, our Telegram bot has been created. Now click this link to open a chat with your new bot. Copy the bot token provided by BotFather, then paste it into the bot token field. Next, you'll need the chat ID where you want to receive notifications. There are many bots that can provide your chat ID. In this example, I'll use Signal Copier App Bot. Start a chat with the bot. Then run the command to retrieve your chat ID. There it is. Simply copy the chat ID and paste it into the chat ID field. Your Telegram notification setup is now complete. In this example, I'm using my personal chat ID. You can also send notifications to a Telegram group or a channel. For more information, please refer to the documentation. Now let's create a new alert to test the setup. The alert was triggered, but I didn't receive a Telegram notification. Why didn't it work? The reason is that I missed one important step. You need to add this URL to allowed web request URLs in MetaTrader. https://api.telegram.org. Once that's done, let's create another alert. The alert is triggered again, and this time I received the notification in Telegram. As you can see, the message contains the exact alert content that we configured. Great, our Telegram notifications are now working correctly. Now let's continue with the Discord notification setup. First, I'll turn off the auto remove option so the alerts stay in the list after they're triggered. To send notifications to Discord, you'll need a webhook ID and a webhook key. Getting these is very simple. Go to your Discord server, then open the text channel where you want to receive notifications. Click the settings icon, select integrations, and then choose create webhook. Copy the generated webhook URL and paste it into a text editor. Here's the Discord webhook URL we just created. From this URL, copy the webhook ID and paste it into the webhook ID field. Next, copy the webhook key. Since the webhook key is quite long and MetaTrader has a limit on the number of characters you can enter in a single field, you'll need to split the key into two parts. You can split it at any point as long as you don't break a character in the middle. This is a small limitation of MetaTrader, but it's the best workaround available. I'll paste the first part of the key into the first field and the remaining part into the second field. Now click Confirm to save the settings. Just like with the Telegram setup, we also need to add another URL to allow web request. https://discordapp.com. That's done. Now let's create a test alert. Both Telegram and Discord notifications are enabled. I'll change the trigger value so the alert fires immediately for testing. Now I'll save the alert. Perfect. The alert has been triggered, and we've received notifications on both platforms. Here's the notification in Telegram, and here's the same alert in our Discord channel. And that's it. We've covered the Smart Alert Manager, including how to create advanced alerts and configure notifications for Telegram, Discord, webhooks, and other supported channels. This is a powerful tool that can greatly enhance your MetaTrader alert system, and I highly recommend using it as part of your trading workflow. If you ever need more information, you can always access the documentation by clicking this link. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact me at any time. I'm always happy to help. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.